Good afternoon. This is a brief demonstration as to some of the capabilities as the Geographic Information System, GIS map, within the GovPilot platform when logged in as a end user. So once we're logged into the system, we'll see a menu item here on the left called Map. We can simply select that, and we're brought to a digital map of your local government, whether that be state, county, or at the municipal level. You'll see boundaries pertaining to your specific geographic area. So on the left-hand side, we have a couple sets of tools here. The first are layers of information. You can select which layer you'd like to view. You could zoom in on that particular layer. You can click on it and see detailed information pertaining to that specific area of the layer that you've selected. There's also an option here to disable or enable these layers on a public-facing map. Part of what the GovPilot platform provides is a hyperlink to put all this map information out for the public to access on your website. So should you be looking to show certain layers to the public to cut down on open records requests or call volume, you can choose to do so here. If I hop down to my radius search option, I could select that. I could pan over my parcels to see assessment and ownership information. And if I select on one of those, you'll see based upon the distance that has been selected here, it defaults to 200 feet. You'll see all of them become green. And then I could simply hit get results. And I have all of those people within 200 feet. And I can run a mail merge to send them a letter or notification accordingly. So if I exit that search, another set of tools down here as well is the geographic area search. So if we have to shut down a street for maybe we're resurfacing the road or there's going to be a parade or something, I can draw a specific area here. And if I need to shut a block down, I can draw around it. It'll give you some distance measurements here, which you can see on the left-hand panel as well, but then I could hit get results and it'll provide me with all those homeowners that intersect again, and then I could run a mail merge letter to provide them with a specific notification. The other part, as we start to pan over and see different parcels and home ownership information and tax assessment information, we also have a property profile. So if I want to search for a specific address, so if I want to go to 123 North Mountain Avenue, I'll get dropped on that visually, and then I can hit a button down here for the property details. This will actually load a profile of the property where I'm seeing the tax assessment information again, but then I'm also seeing additional data points that are anchored to that specific property. I can see that there's an animal license here with a status on it, any sort of code enforcement concerns that have come in, and any other modules that you're using GovPilot to process, construction permits, rental resale inspections, work orders, anything like that. Again, as simple as typing in an address, you can be brought to a profile aggregating all the different modules within the system that happen to sit on this particular parcel, 123 North Mountain Avenue. We could also add specific attachments on the parcel, or we could add some custom notes as well. So this was a brief overview as to the some of the key features and functionality with regards to the GIS map. Thank you and have a nice day.